Hi, my name is Alex McLeod, and today I'm going to share with you what the most important skill that a beginner at Reiki can acquire is and why. But before we begin, if you'd like to help support this channel, please hit the like button, hit subscribe, or leave a comment in the comment section down below. Often, Reiki teachers will show people a exercise for sensitizing the hands to energy and say that that's the most important skill. One time, I tried to open a can with a knife. It didn't go very well. I don't know if you can see it, but I've got a scar there from that attempt at opening the can, because a knife is not the right tool for opening a can. A can opener is the right tool for opening a can. Just like a knife is not the right tool for opening a can, the hand exercise is not the right tool for improving a person's ability to feel energy. Learning to meditate and enter the meditative state is the most important tool. It is the most appropriate tool, because not only does it increase sensitivity, it also increases energy flow. The most important skill that a Reiki practitioner beginner can learn is to enter a meditative state at will. There are many reasons for this, but the most important is that energy flows much more freely when you're in a meditative state. If you practice the hand exercise, you could possibly improve your sensitivity, but if you improve your sensitivity but not your energy flow, can you really be a good Reiki practitioner? The energy is what does the work. It's not your sensitivity. You being sensitive to something is not the most important thing. Increasing the energy flow is the most important thing. To prove the point, I'm first going to transmit some energy just by doing the hand exercise. Then I'm going to enter meditative state and transmit some energy. Tell me if you feel a difference. That was the first. No. That was the second. Before we continue on with this video, I'd like to remind you once again that if you would like to help this channel, please hit like, subscribe, or comment down below. Doesn't matter what you comment, any comments help. Thank you. In this video, we talked about the reason why entering a meditative state at will is the most important skill in the practice of Reiki for a beginner. And that's because it improves sensitivity and it increases energy flow. Thanks for watching.